The death rate is lower for this Omicron variant, but we are still losing people every day. With cases continuing to break record after record, state leaders are hopeful this surge will peak sooner rather than later so the cases can start going back down. THP 11's Sarah Hobakowitz has the latest.
Record hospitalizations, record cases, but hopefully a light at the end of the tunnel.
Hopeful that we will peak in cases in the coming days or weeks.
Following the expected peak, Secretary of Health Dr. Romero hopes we'll see a decline soon, similar to what the Northeast is seeing right now.
Our overall projection was that we should start to see a decrease next week.
But before that peak comes,
this does not mean that we're going to be out of the woods. We're still going to be having significant numbers of individuals being infected in the state.
The governor's preparing for a continued rise in hospitalizations.
We do have additional capacity that will be coming online for ICU beds as well as the COVID beds as well.
And testing needs as the state distributes the remaining supply of the 1.5 million free at-home tests ordered for the state.
And we still have 370,000 that's available at our local health units, the libraries.
And on top of testing resources, hospitals are still pushing for people to get vaccinated to protect themselves.
The majority of those in critical care are not vaccinated. Clearly, the vaccines provide protection.
And hoping more people understand the gravity of the virus.
I wish I could take you inside the walls of the clinics and hospitals to show you how hard the healthcare teams are working.
And learn the real stories from some of the over 1,600 Arkansans in hospital beds right now.
I would venture to guess that if you were able to interview patients in critical care right now and their families, they would say, if I could go back and do things differently, I would have taken advantage of protecting myself and protecting my family.
Reporting at the Capitol, Sarah Hobakowitz, THV 11 News.
The Central Arkansas Library System has already run out of their free COVID tests, but surrounding area libraries and health clinics that we spoke to say they still have plenty on hand as people await deliveries from the federal government next month.